Welcome to this 1989 Invader ski boat with a Mercruiser 4.3. A good friend of mine's family member gave him this old ski boat, and we're going to see if we can get this old clunker to run by doing a deep diagnosis and seeing what's wrong with this old ski boat. First, we'll install a battery and see if we can get this boat to turn over. The first battery didn't work, so on to the second junk battery. The second junk battery did not work, so on to buying a new one from Costco. Finally, with a new battery, we got it to crank. Welcome to Clunker Revival, where we bust our ass to take these vehicles from done to fun. And remember, if you like this content, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button. After getting it to crank for a while, we decided to do a compression test.
That's not getting over 120.
It's over 100 though.
Is that good?
Given the circumstances, the compression test came back okay. Then we tested for spark. We had a ground wire issue. Once fixed, we had spark. Once we confirmed we had air, fuel, and spark, this old Mercruiser fired right back up. After running it for a while, hooking up fresh water, we did confirm that it had a blown freeze plug. Typically with a blown freeze plug, it could be a number of things, but one of the worst cases is that it could be a cracked engine block. We did make a run to the local parts store, picked up a freeze plug that was 99 cents. You'll see that we had to take out the motor mount and replace the freeze plug. The old freeze plug a little bit rusty and the new freeze plug shiny. The new freeze plug goes in with a couple little taps from a hammer and slides in pretty easily. After installing the freeze plug, it's time to bring the engine to operating temperature and test if oil and water are mixing together through a crack in the engine block. Unfortunately, you can see here that the oil has mixed with the water and created quite the foamy oil substance. And the sad news is that the engine block is bad. It's cracked in an oil outlet, allowing oil and water to mix together. Unfortunately, it was not just freeze plugs. This is substantial damage for this old clunker. My friend is faced with the thought of either replacing the engine block or doing a full-fledged rebuild. If you think this boat's worth saving, please comment below. Use the hashtag #SaveThe89. We'll end here for today, where we couldn't save this old clunker. But if you like this content, you can do 3 things: like, subscribe, or leave a comment. And thanks for watching.